A particle is moving along a circular path of radius 5 meter and with a uniform speed of 5 meter per second. What will be the average acceleration when the particle completes half a revolution? So now let us analyze the situation. So suppose that this is the circular path like this. Let's say particles start from this point, let's say point A, and then it completes this side, that it completes half of the circle, right? That means it completes the circle like this. So suppose that radius is, as these have given, radius is 5 meter. So clearly, first of all, we can find that velocity at point A, let's say velocity at point A is VA, and let's say this point is B, so velocity I say VB. So VA can be written as mod of VA into unit vector, that means j cap. That means vector VA will be is equal to 5 j cap meter per second, because the mod is same uniform speed, which is 5 meter per second. Similarly, VB can be written as mod of vector BB into, this would be minus j cap, unit vector is negative in negative direction, so this would be minus 5 j cap meter per second. Now how do we define acceleration? Vector A will be is equal to delta V upon delta T, correct? Now the vector V, delta V will be V final minus V initial, correct? So V final minus V initial, I am pretty clear that in this case particle we are considering final point is B and initial point is I, that means A. This is delta T. Now we will substitute the values. Before substituting, let us write VB minus VA upon delta T. Now we can also define the time taken in covering this distance. So time taken, delta T, we know that that can be written as time period by 2, and the value of time period will be 2 pi r by V, which is given in the question. So 2 into pi into r is 5 by V, 5, that means 2 pi. So t is equal to 2 pi seconds, that means delta T will be 2 pi upon 2. So this 2 and 2 is cancelled out, so this is pi. So delta T is pi. So now simply let us calculate. So this acceleration will be simply the average acceleration throughout the journey. That means VB is how much? Minus 5j minus of 5j divided by pi. That means this will be simply 10 minus 10j upon pi meter per second square. So this is the value of vector A average. Now we want to calculate simply the magnitude. Magnitude is just to take the mod of this. So mod vector A average, or it can be written as A average. If you take the mod, so mod is simply 10 upon pi meter per second square. So that means, now choose the options. So obviously option number 4, 10 upon pi meter per second square should be the right choice for us. Okay.